just says it's in process. Is it in process?
So it's talking right now without me knowing.
Who is making it?
1 year ago, we launched one of the most popular 3D printers in Denmark. To make it even better, we collected all our users' feedback and created the most user-friendly 3D printer ever. Now, we will put it to the ultimate user test. We gathered 6 participants with no experience in 3D printing. We set up a studio. Can they print their first object with no help?
Wow, it's really light.
Very easy assembly. Wow.
Where is it?
Where do I put the filament in? Filament input.
Is that it? Yeah. That's all? Find models to print.
There's a lot of designs here.
I'm gonna select this base.
So I just push print?
Okay, so it's talking right now without me knowing.
It's eating some filament. I don't know if it's tasty or not.
It says it's warming up and I have to wait until it's 190 degrees.
It's 92 degrees. But it's going pretty quick. I thought it was gonna take a long time.
It says 140.
Oh, it's done.
It's doing something.
It's moving.
Who is making it? Oh, that's really cool.
5 minutes ago, there wasn't anything, just a little string popped up.
It's not necessarily the most environmental, I think.
It's a biodegradable plastic made of corn.
So it's not plastic. Okay, then I'm on board. I can't believe it.
Much lighter than I thought.
It's amazing. It's hard for me to believe that I made it.
Break. Like this? Oh, well, that was easy.
It looks like something that could only make small sizes like this, like a tennis ball. It can actually make a football.
I did this with no prior knowledge.
Ready for action. Yeah. Just made this. Unbelievable. Yeah, I'm not very good at this kind of thing, so the fact that we got it to work at all is an amazing thing.
I made a fashion bracelet.
I can use it without any instructions prior.
There was a small humming from the machine like a PC, but that was all.
So it's like 2 or 3 clicks away. It's not that hard.
Back us today and make 3D printing for everyone.
Hello and welcome to the new 9 from Easily Build. The first high-speed, commercial quality, scalable 3D printer you can customize to any size, big or small. The new 9 was born out of the need to break out of the box, the closed shell box that limits most 3D printers, that is. You see, in order to take on the larger, more creative and more outrageous 3D prints our clients required, we had to invent an open frame tensioned structure that allowed us to customize to any shape needed. Tall, short, wide, square, rectangular, any shape, any size. And we did, the new 9. Then we added innovations never seen before. Geeky stuff like a 50% larger heated print bed, 100% counterbalanced X-axis mounted motors, and we invented infinity cornerstones that will accommodate any changes you want. We then added something never seen before on a 3D printer, a patent-pending tuned mass damper that counteracts printing vibration to practically eliminate wobble. And the tuned mass damper helped us make it fast, really fast. By using best-of-breed elements used in printers that cost thousands more, we were able to introduce the first HS high-speed printer, clocking in at an amazing 105mm per second, better than even the most expensive MakerBot and Ultimaker models. But the new 9 is more than a scalable, high-speed, high-quality, affordable 3D printer. It's the entirely new open-source 3D printing platform you've been looking for. This means you are free to customize, change, modify, and update every aspect the way you want for your own specific needs. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll support our campaign. We know your new 9 will bring you joy and create the amazing ideas you have that just need to be 3D printed, no matter how big or small those ideas are.
3D printers are either expensive or don't match the quality standards to make the true beauty of your design real. Now there is a solution. Introducing SparkMaker, an affordable desktop SLA 3D printer for everyone. SparkMaker is designed as a plug-and-play, standalone printer. Start printing is super easy. Just download the design file from computer to an SD card. Insert it to SparkMaker with resin filled. Press the button and you are all set. During the printing, an LED light will keep you updated about the status, and a UV protective translucent cover to avoid any damage from the circumstance. The printing area is 102 by 125 millimeters, with a 0.1 millimeter XY resolution and a Z resolution up to 0.02 millimeters. After printing, simply take off the top and grab your finished product. SparkMaker comes with 5 types of resins for different objects you want to create. And with the 5 types of color paste, you can print any color you want. If you don't want to get messed with the typical resins, we also provide a special resin that can be cleaned by water directly. No matter you are an artist, designer, or hobbyist, you will be able to create high-quality 3D printed objects with SparkMaker. SparkMaker comes with a free and easy-to-use software to design your own objects. Or you can just use existing 3D models from our library. We believe that the future of 3D printing relies on making it available for everyone. We tap the top engineering, 3D printing, and industrial design talent to create SparkMaker. Our team has been working on 3D printer manufacturing for years, and we are confident to introduce SparkMaker to everybody to see what you will create with it. So join us, and let's start creating.
My name is Brooke Drum, and this is the Printrbot. The Printrbot is a 3D printer. What's a 3D printer? 3D printers take ABS filament. This is the stuff that Lego's made out of, and it heats it up in this hot end, and it puts it down on this hotbed, and it lays it down a line at a time until you've got a full layer, and then it moves up and prints another layer. Now after layer upon layer upon layer, you've got a part that you can hold in your hand made out of plastic, and they're very, very durable. So it's amazing to be able to design your own parts, and something that you just think of, you can design it in Google SketchUp. It's a free program, and you can put it into the machine here, and it will print out a 3-dimensional part. You can make all kinds of things. People are making toys, things that have utility, hooks, all sorts of designs. And these designs, if you don't want to design them yourself, they're available online at thingiverse.com. So it's this crazy new world where you can think something and then print it and hold it in your hand. Now, these printer bots really address a couple of problems that I see with the printers that are out there today. One is the build time. That Prussia Mendel, it took me hours and hours to put that thing together. And this went together in 45 minutes. Literally, the parts, you'll get them in a box, you'll take them out, you'll follow the online video, and you'll have this thing together in under an hour. You'll be printing in under 2 hours. After you get it together, you'll hook up the electronics, download the software, it's all free online, and you'll be able to print these 3-dimensional parts. 3D printing, I believe, is going to change the world. If you can imagine not having to go out and get these small little parts, or something breaks, you'll be able to fix it. So being able to design and make your own parts, imagine what that will mean for kids, what they think they'll be able to build, the ideas they'll have on improving something, they'll be able to see that right in front of their eyes in a very short order time. So this is a game changer, I think. This is going to be a great first printer for a student. It'll be a great second printer for somebody that has a big one that sits at home in their garage or workshop, but they want something sitting on their desk right next to your computer, and you see something online that you want to print, or you design something, have a thought, it'll be right there next to you ready to print. These are quiet. They don't take up much space. They're light. You can take them with you. So in order to bring these kits down to a price that's affordable, we got to make a lot of them. So that's what the Kickstarter project is about. Not just making a simple printer, a small printer, but it's making an affordable printer. Consider supporting the Printrbot Kickstarter project and help us change the future through 3D printing.
This is Toybox, a kid-friendly, easy-to-use 3D printer. Browse through the ever-expanding Toybox library filled with hundreds of creatures and contraptions. Customize the toys to expand your already impressive collection for a more immersive playtime experience. You can even draw your very own unique creations. Hit print, watch it go, put it together, and share your creation. It's that easy. Toybox has what you need to create an epic school project, complete with all the details to impress your classmates. Imagination taking over? Upload your own files directly to Toybox and complete your biggest achievements yet, like your very own pinball machine. Toybox. It's a bottomless treasure trove filled with toys and kids' creative potential.
We believe in empowering kids with the tools to create amazing things. That's why we created a 3D printer that can be set up in 5 minutes and requires no training. The plastic is biodegradable and non-toxic, so it's completely safe to use. With your support, you'll not only bring the Toybox into your home, you'll also be inspiring the next generation of young and creative minds.
Kid-friendly, easy to use, limitless possibilities. Toybox.